Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your files read-only. So the read-only feature means that you can access the file, copy, paste or whatever you want to do, but you cannot change the internal contents of the file. So we have a text file here that is named readme.txt. So I'm just going to right click on the file and go to properties. So you can see the read-only option is now disabled. So we're just going to keep it like that, and I'm going to go into the file and you can see there's just a single line. And if I want to like write anything else, like this is a example. So after writing that, I can just close the file and it will ask me to save. So I'm going to save, and if I open it again, you can see the editing part. Now if I made it read only, then I wouldn't be able to do that, and we will test that by right clicking on the file and go to properties. Then we're going to click on read only. Now click on apply and then OK. So we're going to open the file again, and now you can see this is pretty much similar to what we have seen before. But this time if I want to write anything to it, like okay, this is not going to work anymore. Now I have written that, and now if I want to close it, it's again going to ask me to save it, but this time it's going to save in another file, meaning that you're going to save in the same file anymore. You have to save in another format or whatever, but it's not going to work. So I have to like click on don't save, and you just made your file read only. That means that any program that wants to like change the content of the file will not be able to change the content without making another file, which is not going to be the same file anymore. So that's how you can actually make files read only. And if you want to disable it, just right click and go to properties, just uncheck read only and click apply, then OK, and you will be able to write anything like, okay, this is going to work now. I'm going to just close it, and if I save this now, it's not going to save in another file, it's going to save in the same file. So let's see that. You can see it's not going to save in another file. So that's how you can actually make files read only. And if you want to disable that, I have also shown you that too. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our channel, because every single bit helps us. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.